If you've ever wanted a potato side dish that looks impressive but is actually very doable, this two-potato Anna is it. To get started, melt the vegan butter, then stir in the salt and pepper and set it aside. Slice the potatoes very thin, about 1/8 inch thick. Even slices are important, so everything cooks at the same rate. Preheat the oven to 475. Place a well-seasoned 10-inch cast iron skillet, or an oven-safe nonstick pan, over low heat and brush the bottom and sides generously with butter. Let the butter heat until it begins to sizzle. Starting with a hot pan helps prevent sticking and encourages browning. Begin layering with the white potatoes. Arrange the slices in overlapping circles, working clockwise from the center outward, overlapping each slice about halfway. For the next layer, switch to sweet potatoes and reverse the direction, working counterclockwise from the edges toward the center. Brush each layer with butter, making sure to coat the edges so they don't stick. Continue alternating layers, starting and ending with white potatoes for a total of 5 layers. Place a smaller, clean skillet on top and gently press down to compress the layers and remove air pockets so the potatoes cook evenly. Reduce the oven temperature to 450. Cover the pan tightly with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and bake uncovered for another 10 minutes, then finish under the broiler until the top is golden. Let the Anna rest for 5 to 10 minutes, loosen the edges with a knife, and carefully invert onto a plate. Finish with fresh herbs like parsley or thyme, then slice and serve.